Hi, it's Mark again here. Hi there. Right, just a wee bit of fun. Quiz fun. And you know what points make? No, no prizes. No, there could be. Who knows? Right, anyway, let's get into it. Let's have a bit of fun. So what we've done is there's a series of video tutorials related to percentages, fractions, decimal, and the calculations using percentages, working out percentages of certain amounts and so on. This is a wee bit of quiz fun just to make sure you're okay with it. And again, please make a note, have a bit of paper and pen, or graffiti, I don't know, whatever. Don't do anything illegal, please. Right, so let's do a wee bit of fun here. So quiz A, write down the following, and what you're going to do is you're going to, I'll explain as we're running through, okay? And these ones are numbered as well. So number one, just write down 20% using the symbols, numbering symbols. Write down 44%. Here's one for you. 33.33%. Gets you thinking now. It should. So we're thinking about fractions and how we can convert things to decimal. So you can do it in one part, you can do it in the other. And remember, combination of some. Oh, I'm giving you too many hints here, aren't I? Right, here, let's keep going. Half is a fraction. 5. 0.5 as a fraction. A quarter is a fraction. 1.5 is a fraction. And the last one for this quiz A, number 8, 1.5 is a decimal. Okay, what I want you to do is pause me. There, I'll pretend I'm paused, okay? Oh, I don't know how long I can keep that up for. I'm hoping you've paused. Right, you might be back now. So I don't know where the pause was when you're back, okay? Right, I'm going to give you the answers now. But you shouldn't have cheated. I'm telling you, I've got my eye on you. Right. So the first one, 20%. What you should have done was to write that 20%. Doesn't have to be exactly the same, 44%. You'll write your figures the way in which you write them. Number 3, 33.33%. A half. Yep, number 5 was. I knew you'd get it. It was a half as well. Number 6, quarter as a fraction. 7, 1.5 as a fraction. And 1.5 as a decimal. So it's 1.5. How did you do? Right. That was 1 point for each one. And then you can add everything up at the end. And we'll see if you get a prize. So you could have got a total of 8 there. Right, next one. Calculate the following for the quiz B. Half of 200 people. Now this gets you used to putting percentages and fractions into context. And then you'll be calculating them out. And you can do it whichever way. So you can use fractions and put them into decimal. It's up to you. Right. 80% of 100 people. A half share of 20,000 pounds. Right, dollars, you can do dollars if you want, or euros, whatever currency you prefer. Currency is just currency, it's money at the end of the day. So 10% commission of £22,500. Actually, I did it the posh way there. 10% commission of £22,500. I know, nonsense. 12% of 100 people are ready. How many people are ready? You can even tell me how many are not ready. Number 6. A half of $20,000. Number 7. A percentage difference of 100 fish to 120 fish. So the original is 100 fish. So you got 100 fish. Tell me the percentage increase of it moving up to 120 fish. Number 8. £29,500 paid. Annual salary increased by 3%. That's not a bad increase. Should have fought for more. Number 9. 18 chocolate bars increased by 35% would give us how many complete chocolate bars? So if you had 18 chocolate bars, and as a prize, somebody somewhere bought you 35% more. How many complete chocolate bars would you have? Not parts thereof, complete. So depending upon the prize here, so these are all worth 2 points each. Right, I want you to pause. Make sure you've got all your answers down. Look through them and check them. Because you better make sure they're right. No, there's no punishment in this one. Right, no punishment if you got things wrong. You're allowed to get things wrong, remember, when you're learning. And the whole point is, we learn from our mistakes to do better the next time. We keep on going forward. So there's absolutely no punishment, nothing nowadays. We'll not have any of that in learning. Anyway, welcome back. If you paused me there, I hope you did. Not that it matters now, because time is ticking on anyway. Right, let's look at the answers, and then what you can do is you can add them up. Okay, so these were worth 2 points. What I would say is that if you've got more than about 25 in points in total at the end of this, 25, 26, what you have to do is a wee dance. Just a wee shimmy. Okay, that's what I want for you. Right, here we go. Half of 200 people, 100 people. 8% of 100 people, 80 people. A half share of £20,000, £10,000. Quite straightforward. 10% commission of £22,500. Quite easy to calculate. 2,250. It's easy for me to say it's easy, isn't it? 12 ready people out of 100. 6. Half of $20,000 is $10,000. The percentage increase, again, quite easy to calculate out when you've got the difference there, and then you just calculate that into a percentage, 20%. 8. The new annual salary would be £30,385. Pounds. Don't worry, I'm not trying to diddle you dollars and pounds here, okay? Not that it matters. It's the figures that count. And the last one, 24 bars of chocolate. Yum. Thank you very much for watching. We really appreciate you staying with me during the video tutorials. Well, that's the end of this section as well in the series of video tutorials there. Hope you've had fun with the tutorials and with the quiz. Keep going and learning. Keep on learning. Don't be frightened to make mistakes. We all do. You just learn from them. Bye.